the government gives you some things that they don't think are a good excuse. They say the following factors don't generally qualify as a valid reason, right? Reliance on a tax professional. So this one's really hard, okay? Because obviously you hired a tax professional for a reason, maybe because you lacked the knowledge and you didn't know what to do. So you hired that professional, but then they say that's not good enough. You can't rely on that professional. One example I have is I had an executor of a estate and he went to a CPA and the CPA was like, you can file a second extension to file the estate tax return. And so the executor was like, okay, I would like to file a second extension because this tax return is very complicated. The decedent owned like 150 pieces of property. There weren't really good records and it was going to take a long time to put the return together. There was no second extension allowed. You could only file one extension unless you were an executor who lived outside the US, but the CPA didn't know that. So of course the IRS, I tried to get a penalty waiver, I explained what happened. They're like, no, that's not a good reason. It's not reasonable cost. So I literally Googled it and then screenshotted it, each thing, and then proved that my taxpayer could not have found the